Before buying microfiber towels for your car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Homexel Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. First up is the Homexel Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. This pack of 12 is priced at $8.99, and what really caught my eye was its bestseller badge. If you want a reliable, affordable option for all your cleaning needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These cloths are incredibly absorbent, tackling dirt, dust, and stains effortlessly. At 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches, they're not too big, making them easy to handle for both household and car cleaning. With a stellar 4.5-star rating backed by over 49,100 reviews, people love how lint-free and scratch-free they are, so you can clean your car without worrying about swirls or scratches on the paint. Now, some people complain about their size being a bit small for bigger jobs. Here's the thing though, for regular car detailing and interior cleaning, the size is just right for maneuverability without compromising on absorbency. If you need something larger for extensive detailing, you might want to keep looking. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, multi-purpose towel that's easy to wash and reuse. Skip this one if you're after something specifically for heavy-duty detailing or larger surfaces. At this price, it's a solid value for the performance you get. Now, if the size of the Homexel towels bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Homexel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 210 GSM. Next, we have the Homexel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 210 GSM, available for just $6.99. What I found interesting is that it's designed specifically for streak-free results. If you want a go-to tool for crystal clear surfaces, this cloth is worth your attention. These cloths are ultra-soft and completely lint-free, making them ideal for cleaning glass and delicate surfaces. The 210 GSM weight means they're thick enough to soak up spills or polish your car without leaving any trace behind. With a 4.5-star rating from over 49,100 reviews, people rave about how they tackle everyday messes with minimal effort. Some users mention they wish the colors were more vibrant. But honestly, the performance speaks for itself. You're not buying these for a fashion statement. You want effective cleaning, and these deliver that without any fuss. This is perfect if you're frequently cleaning glass surfaces or want a reliable towel for your car's interior. Skip this one if you need something thicker for heavy scrubbing tasks. Given the price, it's hard to beat the quality you're getting here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more bulk. Product number 3, Homexel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 12-pack. Moving on, we have the Homexel Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 12-pack, priced similarly at $6.99. These towels come in at a slightly larger size of 12.5 inches by 12.5 inches. If you're looking for something that gives you a bit more coverage, this is definitely worth considering. These cloths provide unparalleled cleaning performance, soaking up dirt and liquid like a champ. Their soft fabric ensures you won't scratch your car's paint, which is crucial if you're detailing. With a 4.5-star rating from over 10,600 reviews, they are praised for their quick absorption and versatility across various surfaces. However, some users found them a bit flimsy compared to thicker options. Here's the thing though, for regular cleaning tasks, their absorbency makes them highly effective. If you're detailing heavily soiled surfaces, you might want to pair them with a more robust towel. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between size and absorbency for both cars and home use. Skip this if you're looking for ultra-thick towels for tough jobs. For the price, they offer excellent performance. Now, if you want something a bit more premium, the next option brings a touch of luxury. Product number 4, MR.Siga Professional Premium Microfiber Towels. Next, we have the MR.Siga Professional Premium Microfiber Towels, priced at $23.99 for a 6-pack. What caught my attention is their dual-sided design, which could be a game-changer for detailing. If you want to elevate your car cleaning game, this is definitely worth a look. These towels measure 15.7 inches by 23.6 inches, giving you plenty of coverage. The ultra-plush side is perfect for removing dirt, while the softer side is ideal for polishing. They're made from a blend of 85% polyester and 15% nylon, ensuring they're highly absorbent and lint-free. With a 4.7-star rating from over 12,600 reviews, users appreciate their durability and effective cleaning capacity. Now, some people noted that they could be a bit pricey for just 6 towels, but I'll be real with you. The quality and dual-sided functionality justify the cost, especially if you're serious about maintaining your vehicle's appearance. This is perfect for car enthusiasts who want reliable, high-quality towels for both washing and detailing. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or just need something for occasional cleaning. If you invest in these, you won't regret it for the quality you'll receive. All right, that was a luxurious option. But the last product on my list offers bulk and versatility at a fantastic price. Product number 5, AIDEA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 50 pk. Last but not least, we have the AIDEA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 50 pk, priced at $14.68. It's hard to ignore the value here, especially with 50 towels included. If you need a lot of towels without breaking the bank, this is definitely one to consider. These 12-inch by 12-inch towels are ultra soft and highly absorbent, perfect for everything from cars to kitchens. Their non-abrasive nature means they won't scratch any surfaces, which is great for keeping your vehicle looking pristine. With a 4.5-star rating from over 44,400 reviews, they're popular for their quality and durability. However, some users mentioned that they might not be as thick as other premium options. Here's the thing though, for standard cleaning tasks around the house and car, their performance holds up well, and the bulk means you won't run out anytime soon. This is perfect for anyone needing a versatile cleaning solution for home and car tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something specifically designed for heavy-duty detailing. At this price, you get incredible value for your money. So there you have it. 5 great microfiber towels that each cater to different needs. From the budget-friendly Homexel options to the premium MR.Siga towels, there's something for everyone. Make the right choice for your cleaning tasks and keep your car looking its best.